Hi and welcome to our new channel, Project Manager Roadmap. Today we will talk about successful project manager habits. Before jumping into how to be successful, let me tell some shocking facts about project management. 70% of projects fail. Only 26% of all projects succeed. The failure of IT costs the US economy about $50 to $150 billion annually. Just 40% of projects at IBM meet the company's three key goals: schedule, budget, and quality. Only 5% of companies successfully complete 100% of their projects. Oh my God, are you shocked? I got shocked too. However, these facts are there to tell you that project management is not an easy job or task to be done by anyone. If you want to be a successful project manager, then there are a lot to learn and experiences to gain from challenges and situations you will have throughout your projects. Personality and habits will help you so much to deliver successful projects, and this will be our focus today. Let's start. Extroverted projects are about people and teams, so good project leaders tend to be at least somewhat extroverted. Introverted project managers may find their projects wandering out of control because they are insufficiently engaged with people responsible for the work. Facts and observable data oriented projects are best managed using measurable facts that can be verified and tested, and decisions are based on logical objective analysis. Projects, especially technical projects, proceed most smoothly when decisions are based on consistent and analytical criteria. Technical enough. For small technical projects, it's common for the project leader to be a highly technical subject matter expert. For large programs, project managers are seldom master of every technical detail, but generally they are knowledgeable enough to ensure that communications are clear and status can be verified. Large-scale projects require an effective leader who can motivate people and delegate the work to those who understand the details. Good enough. Project management is more about good enough than it's about striving for perfection. All of this relates to delivering business value, understanding the trade-off between time, scope, and cost, while delivering the expected value of the project to the organization. Upbeat and optimistic. Good project managers are upbeat and optimistic. They need to be liked and trusted by sponsors and upper management to be successful. Honest. They communicate progress honestly, even when a project runs into trouble. Retaining the confidence of your stakeholders in times of trouble also requires communicating credible strategies for recovery. Effective leaders meet challenges with an assumption that there is a solution. With a positive attitude, more often than not, they find one. Willing to deal with interruptions. People who lead projects must be willing to deal with frequent interruptions. Project problems, requests, and other imperative never wait for you to become unbusy. So you need to learn how to drop whatever you are doing and refocus your attention. You may need to schedule work that demands your focus and concentration before the work day begins, or do it after everyone has left for the day. People-oriented. Project leaders who find that they are not naturally comfortable dealing with others tend to avoid this part of the job, and as a consequence may not stick with project management very long by either their own choice or someone else's. Being people-oriented means enjoying interaction with others. Helpful. Project managers are helpful, pitching in to ensure progress and working to build favors with others against inevitable need that they will need a favor in return sometime soon. Friendly and courteous. Wise project leaders remain friendly even to those who don't cooperate, and they value diversity. They are also courteous because the cooperation that projects require is built on respect. Obedient. Following rules and abiding by organizational standards. Brave. Confronting our management when necessary. Okay, we have reached the end of our lecture today, and let me remind you that project management is not easy. It requires you to get ready by developing these soft skills to stand by the challenges and issues you might face during the project life cycle. We hope you enjoyed our lecture today. Support us and subscribe to the channel and activate the notifications function to receive new lecture. Thank you.